Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now, I wanted to make this episode to actually sit down and talk to you guys about some of the exciting things that are actually coming up in the not too distant future with Kitchen Instruments, some new and exciting things. Alright, so the first thing I wanted to discuss is the website. I bet most of you guys didn't know we have a website. However, I did take it down because I'm actually revamping it right now. I'm going to have all sorts of cool things, and there's going to be more on that next week as I get closer to being done with the website. Alright, and the second big announcement is I'm actually making a cookbook right now. So this is going to take a little bit of time, but it's going to encapsulate the very first year of Kitchen Instruments. So all the recipes from all the shows in the first year of Kitchen Instruments from August to August is going to be in this book step by step. So more on that when it comes out. The third thing is I'm actually going to start doing some live streams. Now, these live streams are actually going to be step-by-step tutorials, uncut, uncensored, on how to actually make some of the recipes that I do for the show. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do some simple stuff, like making perfect scrambled eggs, like making my cheese sauce, making ganaches, stuff like that. And then I can also move on to some more complicated things, but I want to do it all live so you guys can actually see it. If you have any questions, you can kind of interact with me, and we can have a lot of fun with it. And I think it's going to be quite a good time. Alright, and the third most important thing is I'm doing a subscriber appreciation giveaway. Just a small token of my appreciation to all the fans who showed me so much support over the last year and a half. It really does mean the world to me, and I feel like it's my opportunity to kind of give back to you guys and say thank you. So here's what you need to do to be applicable to enter the giveaway. 1, you gotta be a subscriber. And the second thing is you're gonna have to leave a comment in the comment section down below using the hashtag Best Cooking Show Ever. And most importantly, share my content with 5 people. Now, this could be Instagram, this could be Facebook, any type of social media site, but just get my name out there, because if you found value in the show, I can actually stretch my influence a little bit and give value to more people, friends, family, and new people that might not know about me. So I would appreciate it if you shared me with 5 people, and that's the third and last step to get you entered in the contest. Alright, now, so what are the prizes in this contest, you ask? If you ever read any of the descriptions in any of my videos, you might notice that I always thank a band called Big Lich. Now, Big Lich has been with me since day one, and they're actually the guys who wrote my theme music. Now, they've been kind enough to give me 3 redemption codes for their award-winning CD Dark Matter that's available on their website at http://biglich.bandcamp.com. So I'm going to actually give away 3 copies of their award-winning Dark Matter as part of this giveaway. Check them out. They're pretty awesome. Oh, and also 1 lucky subscriber is actually going to win one of the very same stick blenders that I use in my show, available from Cuisinart, which I just want to point out I'm not being sponsored by them yet in any way. This thing is absolutely amazing. I literally used this on my very first episode. I've had this thing for 15 years and it's been incredible. It's super durable, super handy to have, and I'll tell you what, it really does make cooking a lot easier. This thing is so versatile, it's so great. So I'm happy to give a Cuisinart stick blender to you as part of the giveaway. Alright, now if you do all 3 of these things, in the next couple weeks, I'm going to select 2 subscribers at random that are going to win a copy each of Dark Matter, and 1 subscriber that's going to win a CD and the stick blender. So do all 3 of these things, and you might have yourself a new stick blender and some awesome music to listen to while you're cooking. Alright, well that's all I have time for today. I'm going to be doing more giveaways in the future, especially when I get more merchandise in, and double especially when I get my cookbook done. I'm going to be giving away a couple of free copies as a big thank you to you guys. I'm going to have more updates on my website coming next week, as well as updates for the live streams that I'm going to be starting to do. If you have any comments or suggestions on stuff I should do for the live streams, leave them down in the comment section down below, because I'm going to definitely read those. And I'll get back to you next week on what type of schedule I'm going to have for the live streams. So I'll see you then. Thanks for stopping by.